How do you lift a boat 24 meters into the air without using a single drop of extra water, using the same energy as boiling few kettle? Why would engineers replace 11 traditional locks with something that looks like a giant spaceship? And what does all of this have to do with the Greek guy shouting "Eureka" in his bathtub? Welcome to Falkirk, Scotland, home of the Falkirk wheel, the only rotating boat lift in the world. Up there in the Union Canal, down here, the Forth and Clyde Canal. The height difference between them, 24 meters. Before this engineering marvel existed, boats had to navigate 11 locks to go from one canal to the other. It took almost a full day, but in the 30s, these locks were dismantled and the connection between Glasgow and Edinburgh was lost. In 1998, engineers launched the Millennium Link Project, a £48 million effort to reconnect the canals, but rebuilding the old locks wasn't possible. Roads, homes, and even a railway now stood in the way. So they did something incredible. They designed a rotating wheel that lifted boats from the one canal to the other in just 4 minutes. And this is Falkirk wheel. It's 115 feet tall and based on a principle discovered more than 2,000 years ago by Archimedes. And here's how it works. Boats float into huge water-filled tanks, called caissons. And thanks to Archimedes' principle, each caisson always weighs the same, whether it's carrying one boat, two boats, or none at all, because the weight of the boat displaces its own weight in water. That means the wheel is perfectly balanced, so it doesn't need much power to rotate, just 1.5 kilowatts per hour per turn. And that's less than boiling 8 kettles. 10 hydraulic motors turn the central axle. A clever gear system keeps the tanks completely level as they rotate. It's smooth, silent, and incredibly efficient. The wheel was first built in Derbyshire, dismantled, transported 300 miles to Falkirk on 35 trucks, and rebuilt using 15,000 bolts. And it was officially opened by Queen Elizabeth in 2002. And after the wheel, boats passed through Roughcastle Tunnel, carefully carved beneath a railway, a road, and the ancient Roman Antonine Wall. It's short, dramatic, and even has a psychedelic light. So what does the Falkirk wheel do today? It saves time, it saves water, and it turns one of the Scotland's old canal routes into an unforgettable ride through history and innovation. This isn't just a boat lift, it's a symbol of genius engineering and Scottish pride. And yes, it still leaves visitors saying just one thing: how on earth does that even work?